Just a casual stroll with an elephant.
Here's Jen. All right.
Good morning from Thailand. We're here today. Behind me is the elephant camp. So today we are going to explore the elephant sanctuary. I think this is going to be a really fun activity. This is kind of a once-in-a-lifetime thing in which we can actually get up close and personal with elephants, and I'm super excited about this day.
She has only one eye, everyone. For the right eye, she cannot see. Yeah, by 100%. Okay, one and second one, she named Lucky. Yeah, Lucky now 30 years old. Yes. Today you need to help me shower the elephant here. Okay, one and for now, come on, follow me. We will go shower them in the sea. Yes, come on, let's go.
Just a casual stroll with an elephant. After learning their names, we walked with them down a jungle path, and it was like they have done this a million times before. It's quite amazing to be walking side by side with them. They walk straight down to the beach and into the sea. I'll be honest, the water was not bright clear blue. It was muddy, like really muddy. They had us wear water shoes, which was provided by them, and yeah, I figured out why pretty quickly. I hesitated for a little more than I should have, but eventually I did go in. Swimming with elephants in the ocean? Guess I can check that off my bucket list. Just another day in Thailand. We just went in the water. We just went in the ocean with the elephants and took a little swim. They seem to like it a lot. When they wave their ears and they wag their tails, it's supposed to be when they're most happy. So I think they enjoyed their bath. Okay, this is the feeding area. Feeding area. They're eating over there. And over here, they're taking a bath. Go, Lazo!
Uh-oh, they're hungry.
We just gave the elephants a bath.
And myself a bath for that matter. So.
Now they're hungry, they're ready to eat, so we're gonna feed them here. They're happy and they're hungry.
This is baby Yaya, the baby elephant.
Second one inside she named Tong. Tong now 45 years old.
45 years old
For the
inside.
Yaya, we cannot separate. If Yaya go down there, Tong need to go follow. Yes. Okay, one and how to feeding. I will show you first. We have three steps for feeding. The first one, tip pang. Second one, behind. And the last one, you remember the word? Bone. And directly put in the mouth like this. And how to get the kid, everyone feed one by one rotation. Okay, everyone can feed. And get closer, say hug me. And kiss me. Just feel, okay? Okay, everyone, and now come on, take the food and enjoy feeding. Come on, everyone.
All right, Liza, Luca, you want to try?
Okay.
You guys want to try? Just hand it to him. Oh, there you go. Was that cool? Luca, you want to try?
Okay, everyone, come on, take the food. Enjoy feeding. Thank you.
Yeah, now you can try one by one. For hug and kiss you now. Hug, kiss. One hug. You can work closer. 1, 2, 3. Hug, kiss.
Oh! All right, out of there, Liza.
Again. Con. How đi nào? Kiss.
All right.
Okay.
Liza, come on now, move.
More closer.
One more. Luca, go. Hurry. Luca, go. Here, Luca's turn. Go ahead, Luca.
Kiss.
Okay, come on, get closer.
You can get closer one by one.
One more.
I wasn't expecting that.
One more. Kiss.
And one more. I missed it.
Kiss.
Fit off. Okay, and hug.
He's still hungry? Aww.
There's still more. One more? Oh, right here.
He's searching.
Right here. Here, watch it.
They're hungry too.
Here, Liza.
Hey, do you know how
Is
their
that
trunk
good?
got so big?
How?
Because their nose was small, and then when he was sleeping, an alligator bite his nose, and then he made it stretch it, and then it stretched out forever.
Oh.
The last part of the day was really messy. Basically, elephant cooking class. We made these giant rice balls with banana, pumpkin, salt, and tamarind, mixing everything together by hand and wrapping it in banana leaves.
Okay, so now we are making food for the elephant.
Okay, so what are you
Not
supposed to do?
food for us, food for the elephant.
So how are you supposed to do it?
You just mix it with your hands, I guess.
Okay.
Peel the banana. Okay, peel the banana.
Okay, then.
Put on the light.
Put on the rice.
Okay. This shouldn't be rocket science, guys. Okay. The whole thing.
The whole thing?
Make small.
Make small.
Make small. Put on the light. Yes, like this.
And somehow, Luca, my kid who hates using a fork and loves eating with his hands, was the least interested in getting his hands dirty.
Okay, make the ball. And when you make the ball finish, we will use last step, your banana skin. Make sushi elephant.
Oh, I see.
Okay, this is what we're feeding them. We're feeding them this.
There's 4 of us for each of us, so we could all get one, right?
Okay, we've got our tray of food for them, right? Let's see your tray of food. This is the elephant ball foods that we're gonna go feed them. Apparently they like bananas with pumpkin, tamarind, and rice all mixed together. They're Asian elephants, so I guess it's only fitting that they eat rice.
We brought their food down to where they were happily swaying and awaiting their treats. And then sadly, the day was done. But thankfully, this was an unforgettable memory we made as a family. I just don't know anywhere else in the world where you can do something like this. If you are ever in Thailand, make sure to check it out. And if you have kids, this is also a must-do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.